Here's a puzzle. Japan is famous for having some of the cleanest streets in the world. But try to throw something away. You can walk for 30 minutes and find nothing. No trash cans on the street. Almost none in parks. Very few even in train stations. Okay, that's a slight exaggeration. But compared to almost any other country, Japan has far fewer. In a recent government survey, the #1 complaint from foreign tourists in Japan wasn't the language barrier. It wasn't the crowds. It was this. There is almost nowhere to throw anything away, so you have to carry your trash around with you all day. So how does a country with almost no trash can stay so spotless? The answer involves a dark event from 1995 and a school rule that shapes every Japanese child, including mine. Let me explain. First, let's see how real this problem is. In that survey, 21.9% of foreign visitors named the lack of trash bins as their single biggest frustration in Japan. Language came second at 15%. And about 70% of tourists said they ended up carrying their trash all the way back to their hotel. Here's the thing, though. That's exactly what Japanese people do every day. Watch closely on any street. Empty bottles slip quietly into backpacks. Candy wrappers go into pockets. I keep a small trash can in my car, and so does almost everyone I know. The rule is invisible but powerful. Your trash is your responsibility. It goes home with you. But this rule has a history. And the reason the trash cans disappeared is darker than you might expect. Rewind to 1964. Tokyo was hosting the Olympics, and Japan wanted to show the world a new, modern country. The government ran a massive nationwide beautification campaign. Keeping public spaces clean became part of the national identity. Then came March 20th, 1995. Members of a doomsday cult released sarin gas on the Tokyo subway during the morning rush hour. 14 people died. Thousands more were injured. It remains the worst terrorist attack in modern Japanese history. Afterward, authorities asked a hard question. Where could someone hide a dangerous package in a crowded city? One obvious answer was the public trash can. So Japan removed them. From stations, from street corners, across the whole country. The few bins that later returned are often transparent, so staff can see exactly what's inside. Most never came back at all. And cities quietly noticed the side benefits: lower collection costs, no overflowing bins. Because the habit of carrying trash home already existed, the streets simply stayed clean. But why does that habit exist in the first place? This is the part one most want to show you, because I watch it happen in my own house every single day. In Japanese schools, there are no janitors cleaning up after the students. The students clean the school themselves. Every day, it's called o-soji, cleaning time. My 2 kids do it at their school in the countryside. After lunch, the entire school stops. For about 15 minutes, kids sweep their classrooms, wipe the floors, clean the hallways, and yes, even scrub the toilets. Teachers clean alongside them. This is not a punishment. It's part of the curriculum, treated as seriously as math or reading. And the lesson isn't really about cleaning. The lesson is this: the space you use belongs to everyone, so the mess you make is yours to deal with. Repeat that every school day for 12 years, and you don't need a sign telling you not to litter. There is no magic Japanese cleanliness gene. There is training, starting at age 6. And the training never really ends. In fact, you've already seen the proof, even if you didn't realize it. Those viral World Cup videos, Japanese fans staying behind after the final whistle, filling garbage bags, cleaning their entire section of the stadium. Win or lose. They've done it at every World Cup since 1998, sometimes even after matches Japan wasn't playing in. The world calls it incredible. For those fans, it's just what you do after using a shared space. The same habit runs quietly through daily life here. In my neighborhood, and in most of rural Japan, residents take turns cleaning shared spaces. We sweep around the local garbage collection point, pull weeds, pick up anything the crows scattered. It's just part of living here. Household garbage isn't simple either. My town sorts trash into more than 10 categories: burnables, plastics, cans, glass, paper, PET bottles, and more, each with its own collection day. Miss the day, and that bag stays in your house for another week. When throwing something away takes this much thought at home, tossing a wrapper on the street becomes almost unthinkable. Add the quiet social pressure of a small town where everyone knows everyone, and the system runs itself. Nobody is watching, and everybody is watching. But right now, this invisible system is being tested like never before. Japan is welcoming record numbers of tourists, and visitors can't follow rules they've never been told about. In the busiest areas, litter is starting to creep in. Shibuya, Tokyo's famous crossing district, is even introducing fines for businesses that don't provide trash cans. Some cities are quietly bringing public bins back. So which way will it go? More trash cans, or more people learning the Japanese way? Honestly, I think a bit of both. If you visit Japan, here's my local advice. Carry one small plastic bag, and remember that convenience stores usually have bins for things you bought there. Do that, and you'll blend right in. So Japan's spotless streets are not a mystery. History took the trash cans away. School builds the habit. Community keeps it alive. Now I'm curious, would this system work in your country, or would it fall apart in a week? After all, everyone wants clean streets. The hard part is living it every day. Tell me in the comments. And here's my real hope. Don't just watch videos about Japan. Come and see it for yourself one day. The quiet streets, the countryside, the real thing. When you do, you'll notice what I told you today. You love clean streets? I think you'll feel right at home here. Until then, I'll keep showing you the Japan that guidebooks skip. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.